It is 8:32 now. Gun safety advocates and prospective gun owners are getting a chance today to weigh in on proposed new gun rules.
Chris Latronic joins us now live from HPD headquarters with all the details. Chris, good morning.
Good morning, Christine and Sam. Yes, today's the day, January 9th, at less than an hour and a half from now, right here at the Alapai HPD headquarters, is where an important public hearing is happening to discuss the rollout of what's going on with Act 52, new laws being put into place. Now, it's a state ban on carrying firearms in sensitive locations and private property without prior authorization of the owner, as well as firearm permitting processes in which the applicants for both long guns and handguns will now be required to complete safety courses conducted by only a certified instructor before receiving their gun permit. So right now it's going to be happening very soon at around 10 a.m. So you want to check that out. Everyone's invited, and you can call if you are handicapped. They will help you with accommodation. I expect this front row, they just coned it off, should be for specialty parking. So just watch out right now. What's causing a little bit of havoc earlier with rush hour traffic, but it's all happening to really talk about the implementation of this Act 52, the new application process, background checks, pretty much everything you need to know about the new gun permitting rules and regulations, as well as reorganizing those rules and making other edits just to make and improve clarity about this situation. So it's all happening today, so make sure you come down here before 10 a.m. before it gets really crowded, but also you don't have to come at all. You can submit your testimony just via email, and you can send that to hpdltc@honolulu.gov. We'll also have that on a link on our website at KHON2.com, so make sure you check it out and make sure your voice is heard right here at the headquarters as well as online, and we'll keep you updated right here on KHON2 as well as our later newscasts. This is Chris Latronic reporting and working for Hawaii right here, right outside the HPD headquarters, sending things back to you.